The 10514 mini cutter with sliced ceramic blade was designed as a general cutting tool. It features an auto-retractable rubberized slider, a lanyard hole, a built-in magnet, and durable ABS housing. And blade change with the sliced ceramic blade is easy with no tools required. This cutter features the Slice 10404 ceramic replacement blade, which is used in the majority of our products. All the sliced ceramic blades last up to 10 times longer than steel, they never rust, they're non-magnetic, non-sparking, and non-conductive. And unlike traditional metal blades, they have no oil coating. They're infinitely safer to hold and use versus metal, and they have a rounded tip for added safety. The 10514 is perfect for opening retail packaging, trimming fabric, paper, cardboard, plastic, endless uses for an incredibly versatile tool. Sliced ceramic replacement blades are finger-friendly. They require pressure to obtain the cut. Therefore, blade change is no longer a risky activity. To access the blade, simply rotate the locking mechanism to reveal the two halves. Flip or change the blade, replace the two halves, and rotate the locking mechanism to the locked position. By using sliced ceramic blades instead of traditional metal blades, you'll have fewer blade changes, less downtime, lower costs, and most importantly, a safer working environment. The 10514 mini cutter with sliced ceramic blade is used by more than half the Fortune 1000 to reduce injuries and lower costs. It's simply a better, safer, more effective way to do your general cutting. Send me an email and let me know how you're using it.
Imagine if you could put the power of a samurai sword in your pocket. We use the same feathered Damascus steel that is used to create the sharpest samurai swords in the world. This means OMNI stays up to 5 times sharper than normal steel blade knives. Pretty great, right? OMNI, with you for a lifetime.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon.